Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Level Up Pharmacology. Now in this video I am going to discuss about pharmacology and basic concepts to how to learn the pharmacology. Please like my channel, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for supporting. Pharmacology means the term itself suggests that pharmakon means drug and logos means study. It means it is the study of drugs. It is a science which deals with the mechanism of action. MOA means mechanism of action, therapeutic uses, adverse drug effects and the fate of the drugs in humans and animals. Fate of the drugs means right from the administration to the excretion of the drug from the body. Right from the administration means the way how the drug is administered, the way it is distributed, the way it gets metabolized and eliminated, and finally how it gets excreted into the from the body. From the pharmacology we study how the drugs can alter the physiological and biological functions of the body. Suppose if we administered an antihypertensive drug like beta blocker, like propranolol, etc., the drug will alter the physiological and biological functions of the body, like it will block the beta 1 receptor which is present on the heart, and it will decreases the heart rate and thereby it decreases the cardiac output, so that it decreases the blood pressure, hypertension. This is the example. And the pharmacology is divided into pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Pharmacokinetics, see here, pharma means drug and kinetics means movement. It means pharmacokinetics means it is the movement of drug. In pharmacokinetics, what the body does to the drug. The body will absorb the drug, distribute the drug, metabolize the drug and eliminate the drug. All these processes are in motion. It means they are in kinetics. The drug is in kinetics. So kinetics of absorption, kinetics of distribution, kinetics of metabolism, kinetics of excretion. So to remember, cadm, the letter cadm. In pharmacokinetics there are different parameters. We will discuss in another video. I will do separately on pharmacokinetics so that I can discuss more clearly in that video. Coming to pharmacodynamics. Pharmakon means drug, and dynamics means power. It is the power of the drug. It means what the drug does to the body. The drug will shows biological response in the body by acting on receptors. We go through different types of receptors, subtypes like G protein coupled receptors, G stimulatory, G inhibitory. This topic also we will discuss in another video, which I want to make a separate video so that I can clearly explain you. Pharmacology is the vast subject. It is very important in the therapeutic practice, so that we have to learn the pharmacology in a understanding way. We have to learn by understanding, not by hearting, so that we can memorize many days, and it will be helpful for our therapeutic practice also. How to study pharmacology? There are number of ways to study pharmacologies, as your wish you can study, but to memorize and to understand in a proper way, or to memorize for a long time, we have to study uh, in this pattern. First, study about the disease which is concerned. Like if you want to study about antihypertensives, and go and study for what is hypertension, what is definition, etiology, mainly study about the pathophysiology, how it occurs from the normal physiology, then learn about the drugs. If we study about the pathophysiology, then only we can able to understand which drugs will act on which part or which receptors to get the uh, modified or deviated physiology to normal physiology. Then only we can understand. Next, learn the prefixes and suffixes. Don't buy heart the drugs, number of drugs. Don't work hard. Just learn the suffixes, like if all the beta blockers has the suffix of OL, like propranolol, metoprolol, atenolol, and all the AC inhibitors, which are the antihypertensives, has the suffix of pril, PRIL, captopril, lisinopril, enalapril, like that. And all the loop diuretics has simide of suffix, like furosemide, torsemide, like that. And all the alpha blockers has zosine. It has the suffix of zosine, prazosin, terazosin, doxazosin. And study by class, not by individual drugs. Don't study individual drugs. Study by class, like all the loop diuretics has the same mechanism of action, which blocks the sodium potassium 2 chloride cotransporter, and will block the sodium so that the sodium cannot be reabsorbed into the blood vessels, so that with the sodium the water also went into the urine, so that the blood volume can be decreased, so the cardiac output will be decreased, and eventually the heart hypertension will become normal. All the beta blockers has the same mechanism of action, like blocking the beta 1 receptors on the heart, and thereby decreasing the heart rate, so that decreasing the cardiac output and decreasing the BP. Coming to the flashcards, make your own flashcards. ఫ్లాష్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, ఏదన్నా చిన్న ఒక పేపర్ మీద ఒక చిన్న నోట్స్ లాగా రాసుకోవాలి. బోత్ సైడ్స్ మనమే క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకొని దానికి మనమే మనకు అర్థమయ్యేలాగా సింపుల్ వేలో ఒక ఆన్సర్ రాసుకొని ఉంటాము. ఎప్పుడైనా మనకి ఏదైనా డౌట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ ఫ్లాష్ కార్డ్ చూడంగానే టక్కున మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఫ్లాష్ అయిపోవాలి. ఫ్లాష్ కార్డ్స్ అంటే అవే. నిమోనిక్స్ మెయిన్ నిమోనిక్స్ ఎట్లా అంటే, ఇప్పుడు చాలామందికి బీటా 1 బీటా 2 రిసెప్టర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయో త్వరగా స్ట్రైక్ కాదు. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ హార్ట్, సో దట్ beta 1 receptors are present in the heart, and we have 2 lungs, so beta 2 receptors are present on the lungs. Okay, and another mnemonic is in autonomic nervous system. Many of them are not able to remember which is the sensory nerve and which is the afferent or motor and different nerves. So there is a mnemonic called SAME, same. Remember the word same. S sensory and E A efferent. They both are same. Sensory and efferent both are same. And motor and efferent, these two both are same. So with this video I will conclude the introduction to pharmacology and how to study the pharmacology, and next upcoming videos I will make on pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics separate videos, so that I will be able to deliver more points to you. With this, thank you all. Please subscribe my channel. Try to share this video. Thanks.